Just sitting here waiting on parts. Who is it?
Parts guy.
Really? Ow! Oh, I think I hurt my funny bone. These intros are stupid. Who knew making videos was so perilous? Hey guys, my name is Westen. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are out here working on our 2019 Ram 2500. Finally, we have got some parts to put on it, and that's wonderful because she's been sitting here, she's been feeling a little neglected. She hasn't had no parts. It's just like not taking your girlfriend out on enough dates. She's just upset about the deal. Today, we are going to fix that. After I figured out if I broke my rib or not. We need to do a little bit of wet sanding and polishing on this truck before we put parts on it. But I got a bucket of water. Let's go grab some sandpaper. Sandpaper it up real quick. Then we'll polish it and throw some parts at it. Ow. Alright, first off, what we're going to start doing is, I got some sandpaper here. We got a little bit of orange peel in this fender, a couple of pieces of dirt and stuff, and that can all be fixed. Just hit it with some high grit sandpaper. We got a 1500 grit sandpaper block and some 2000 grit sandpaper. We're going to take and wet sand all this down, use some water, that way all of our dust and everything's contained. Then we're going to wipe it off and take a buffer to it, get it nice and shining. Then we're going to start throwing our parts at it. So, I guess there ain't nothing to it just to do it. Let's get after it. Rust-Oleum to the rescue! Well guys, we just got done sandblasting. No, not sandblasting. What the hell are we sandblasting? Guys, am I going dumb? I can't even talk today. Alright guys, we just got done wet sanding and polishing this side of the truck. And I ain't joking you, look at this thing. This thing is shinier than a bald man's head after a rainstorm. I mean, look at that. Just the shine. Hello ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? It does look pretty good, don't it? Alright. Got this thing looking really shiny. We got all the orange peel out of it, got all the dirt and our paint out of it. I mean, there is some stuff laying on top, but not a bit of dirt in it. So, you know what time it is now. It is time to grab some emblems, grab the mirror, grab the little chrome pieces up here, and start putting them on this truck. All right, let's go get them. Woohoo! Let's get parts! Now the question is, where did that damn parts man put all these parts? Huh. We'll be back with you in a minute as soon as I find them. I think they're over here. All right, guys, I found all the boxes, found all the parts, and here they are in the middle of the floor. So you know what that means? That means I need to find a knife real quick and get to opening. All right, I think I got one right over here. You know what? Nah, I think better of it. We better not use something quite as aggressive. Ooh, that chainsaw was a little smoky. Alright, let's start off with this box. This seems like a good box to start off with. No, maybe I do need to grab the chainsaw. There we go. That there, I believe. Yep, that's our bottom chrome piece that goes around the headlight. See, the headlight sits here, and that snaps in below the headlight. Awesome. Alright, let me expertly catalog this right there. That way we don't lose it. Alright, let's see what's in here. I think these are the emblems, and I have never opened these emblems, so I don't know if they're the right ones yet or not, but we're all getting ready to find out if I can figure out how to open this. There you go. The Ram that goes on the door. Look at that. Ram, or Mar. Actually, yeah, never mind. I'm dumb. But Ram, this is the most important emblem of all. We need to get one of these to go on the Fummins. God dang it. Do they make this Westen proof or what? Wait a minute, that's not right. Oh no, maybe it is. Okay, yeah, there you go. And then a Cummins emblem. God dang, look at that, that's shiny, that's nice. All right, we will have to measure on the fender exactly where them go, that way we get them right. Let's move all this junk out of the way. Now this here should be a mirror. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys, that's at least gonna add at least 25 to 30 horsepower. Hold on, we gotta get in good horsepower mode. There we go. That's high horsepower mode. Then when you're wanting to be a sleeper, you slap your old mirror down. Damn! Look at that good looking guy in that mirror. He is gorgeous. All right, there's the mirror, the two emblems. What's in here? This is the top surround that goes around the top of the grill. We didn't need the whole thing, but the only way to get that little piece on the end is to buy the whole thing. So, without further ado.
A lot of packaging.
Well, yeah, they didn't want it to get damaged. All we needed was that part, so we had to buy the whole thing just for that part. But now that I'm looking at it, our part was actually broken, so I guess it ain't that big a deal that we got a new one. All right, let's go put them on. Oh, come on. Get up, Westen. Here you go. Watch, I'll walk out here and I break it.
Whoa! You're gonna put this whole piece on, replace it?
Yeah, because see, I didn't notice it before. This piece here is broken where it comes all the way over and hooks into the headlight. We want to make sure we get a good one on there. That way it's not falling off or wiggling around or vibrating or anything. So let me pop the hood and we'll go ahead and pull this one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and, there we go. There's the old one. Expertly catalog and then expertly install. That's the first time you guys ever heard me say such precision words. Come on, get on there, damn it. Wait a minute, do you go over this way? How do you fit? There you fit. And, oops. Nope. There we go. Now she fits. All right, time to put the bolts back in it and call her a day on this part. Oh, the front of these Dodges, they're actually, once you figure out how they come apart, they're actually very well put together and very easy to take apart. It's just, it's kind of a learning curve because really no one's ever taken one of these apart. I might be the first one to actually be pulling the front end apart to rebuild one, so who knows. But if you're watching this in 2 or 3 years and you've pulled a bunch of these apart, you'll know what I'm talking about. All right, so we got the top piece back on. Now it's time to slap this bottom piece back on. And let's see how it fits. I've never actually put this on, so good luck to me. I might need it. Damn, she's starting to look like a truck again, Bo. Damn. All right, let's grab the mirror and put it on there. Woohoo! We can see behind us now. All right, we got our mirror. Moment of truth. See if it fits. Come on. All right, boys, the mirror is on. We've got all the front end pieces on it. You know what that means? I've got a chrome wheel sitting right back there to put on it. So let's go ahead and jack this thing up and get this wheel pulled off. This is the spare. We'll put that back in the back of the truck. So, all right, let's get it pulled off real quick. Here, you wanna hold the camera for me? There you go. I gotta figure out exactly where we gotta lift this big monstrous beast. Oh. Oh. There we go. Bam. We keep jacking. We keep. You know what? Maybe I ought not say that.
You're really good at jacking, Westen.
People might misconstrue what I'm talking about. Now you might be wondering, where did I get this wonderful chrome wheel to go on this truck? And let me just say, I went and test drove a Dodge this morning at the Dodge dealership. Well, actually, guys, I just work on a lot of Dodges, and I pulled this set of wheels off of a Dodge, and I had the factory wheels to put on it. So we're gonna throw a factory wheel back on it real quick. Woo, them weren't even tight. All right, and bam, finishing touches. Now all we got left to do is emblems, and she'll be done. Let me see where this emblem sits. Hold it for a few seconds, that way it's got a good chance to stick. And bam, it's on. There ain't no taking it off now. I sure hope I put that in the right spot. It looks pretty close to me. All right, let's grab the ram real quick and throw it on. All right, this one here is gonna be a little bit more tricky. Measure twice, stick on once. Remember that, guys. We wanna make sure we do this right. So these are spaced how they're supposed to be. So you wanna make sure you get them right where they're supposed to be. Now this, I might need the cameraman to hold this side. I hope we got that on straight. It looks pretty straight to me, so.
Think.
Guys, I've been waiting to say this since I brought this truck home. It is finished. It's finished. It's actually turned out really well. You know,
I can't believe Westen painted this. Like, look at it. It's red.
Like, it's so smooth, though. It's so nice. Like, I actually sit here and look at it, and I'm like, damn, who did such a good job? And then I was like, oh, I did. This truck is officially done. We didn't get around to doing any modifications for it, and I'll tell you the reason for that. My cousin actually...
And they may still be coming.
They may still be coming. My cousin actually seen this truck sitting out here in front of the garage a couple days ago, and he just fell in love with it. He really did. He's driving an old Chevy pickup that's been breaking down. Yeah, he didn't see it that well. I got to kind of explain this a little bit. He's got glaucoma. He can't see very well, but he has people drive him around, and he still goes out and tries to make deals and do business. Which is really a great thing because, you know, a lot of people could get depressed with losing their eyesight like he has, but he gets out every day. He goes, he works, he tries to make something happen and does something every day, which I can say is a really hard task to do sometimes. And he has got an old Chevy pickup that has been breaking down on him, giving him problems, transmission problems, lighting problems, wiring problems. If it's got a problem, it's got it. He looked at this truck, and this was exactly what he was looking for. He wanted a crew cab, short bed, 3/4 ton diesel, so it could pull his trailer around, and something that would be nice that in case he decided he needed to go off to Texas or someplace to do anything, that he could just have somebody get in it, drive him, and just go and not worry about it. And that's what this truck is. This truck's brand new. It's got 7,000 miles on it. It shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. But he is still making the decision. He's still thinking about if he wants this truck or not. I think he's going to take it, but if he does not, the truck will be back to the channel. We will be doing modifications to it, maybe doing some tuning, emissions intact. Don't worry. I know the EPA just entered the chat. Don't worry, guys. Emissions intact tuning. So it's getting dark. I think it's time to end this video. Make sure you subscribe with post notifications on. You don't want to miss any awesome things that we post or any awesome videos we might come out with. Make sure you follow us over there on Instagram. And I will see you guys later. Bye!